G'day, this is Wombat ADV Ride. We're out in the Wombat State Forest, currently on Werribee track. Yeah, I didn't think I was going anywhere this morning. I started the bike up and idled for a bit, then died. Didn't want to restart. It actually sounded flooded, so I went wide open throttle, hit the starter and bang, off she went. Big cloud of smoke. Went and got some fresh fuel in her and she's running alright now. I haven't trusted the bike as much as I used to since I put that pump in. It's a bit damp through here. We did have some rain through the week. We had a good shower. Really needed it. It's been very dry. Actually looks quite fun down that way too. Righto, let's go check out some track. There's way more water out here than I was expecting. Shall go that way. I'll go through here. Done so much riding in the dry lately, I'm a little bit nervous about having wet tracks. Not used to it. Absolutely beautiful day, nice and cool. Perfect weather for riding. I knew if I didn't go today, I'd sit at home all day looking at the sky thinking I should have went for a ride. And all week at work I would have been looking up thinking, wish I went for a ride on the weekend. So yeah, glad I come out. Yeah, I was saying earlier, I don't have the same kind of trust in the bike, even though I've had it for 7-8 years and it's broken down once. That confidence has gone a little. I am looking at getting another bike soon, but it's going to be for off-road riding. But how reliable that will be, I don't know. Here comes a cyclist. Let's just move over and let him go. Now, the last couple of rides I've done aren't that far from here, and it is totally different landscape. Very dry and sparse. Yeah, out here, nice and green. Lots and lots of trees. Yeah, we're kind of southeast of Daylesford. Where I've been riding's been northwest of Daylesford. Now, where's this track? So that's the Nolan Creek picnic area. Nice little spot there. There's a couple of spots along the creek there that's really nice. Okay, Nolan Ridge track. Yeah, I've never done this lower part of Nolan Ridge track. It's quite nice. This one actually gets closed in winter. And the top section doesn't. It's way worse than this. It's very rocky. Okay, we're starting to get steep now. Nice muddy start to the hill. Yeah, top section's really steep and rocky. Like this, but worse. I've never actually done it uphill. I've only ever gone downhill. This kind of stuff's where you need that 21-inch wheel. Much easier to keep your speed up. You can roll over those rocks much easier. Boy, it's been a while since I've ridden through water. Oh, that one was deeper. Oh yeah, uphill again. Whoa. I know people always comment about how GoPros don't show the steepness of tracks, but they don't show the size of these rock steps. This track isn't overly steep, but those rock steps are quite big. Depth of ruts and things like that never really show up. When I mount the camera down low, it gives you a bit more of an idea. What do you reckon? Do we just bloody go for it? We're good, we're good. You just never know going into that. Oh, fucking stick. Yeah, you never know. Wheelie over those ones. Mate, these things, these make me nervous. There's going to be one that's just boggy as. We're going up again. Whoa, we'll go over to the left. So this is the top section of Nolan Ridge track. We may as well try it too. I've done this downhill a few times, very, very rocky. It's going to be hard work. Drop in there. Stick to this left, I think. Yeah, first gear for this one. Oh, we're staying up on the ridge. Get over that left again. Awesome. Oh man, that is a workout. Worst thing you can do on hills like that is start thinking, what would happen if I fell off? Because it wouldn't be pretty. But when that starts running through your mind, it's very off-putting. You just got to keep going. Just coming down Nolan Creek Road. It is beautiful down here. Got a creek running along the side there. We're going to be going through that in a sec. We're going to take Mount View track, and the bottom of that is very wet, and there's a big hill on the other side. This one actually gets closed for winter. Rightio. What are we going to do here? So the creek must run under the track there. We might go on this right hand side. Yeah, we're all good there. Then we go straight into a hill, I think. Stick in this centre. Oh, we don't like being on greasy centres. Yeah, we'll get over into this rut. Through the fern. Yeah, she's not too wet. We'll be fine. It is very rocky. I mentioned before I've lost a bit of confidence in the reliability of this bike, but I've not lost any confidence in its off-road abilities. It is so good to ride off-road. Still comfortable on the road, and just capable of doing this sort of stuff, no problems. So what do we got here? A bit of water. Oh, I hope this is alright. I haven't had time to stop. A little bit boggy at the end there. Getting steep again. We'll get second, we'll be right. There's a little track off to the left somewhere here. We might take that. I think it's a dead end, but it'll take up on top of the hill. We might go up there, stop for a donut and a coffee. Okay, hill just there. I reckon that little track I was talking about should be along here somewhere. I think it just goes to the top of the hill. Just there. That looks like it. I reckon this will do me. Righto, check this out. I'm sure you Aussies know what a vanilla slice is, but have you seen a vanilla slice donut? Vanilla slice is basically thick custard between pastry with icing on top. Bacon Grind Ballarat has these. I did get asked where I keep this hat too. It's quite a fair sized hat. I don't know if you can read that. It's kangaroo leather and it's called Squishy Hat in a Bag. That squashes up into my bag, no problems. Yeah, righto, let's get moving. Got to get home. I've got things to do this arvo. A bit of a tight, oh fucking tight bend, isn't it? Thought I was right and something threw me front wheel out. It's the same, we'll get home 1:23. Whoa, go around that one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we can beat that. This just takes me back to main road. We'll take Benham and see if it's any quicker. Oh, there's Benham. That's the one we want. Oh, I've had some troubles on this track before. This is where my bike broke down. Trouble with this muddy hill. Yeah, the big step just there. Looks pretty dry, which is good. We'll just kind of stick with that centre. I think we go to the right eventually, but for now we'll just stick to the centre. These ruts get very deep. How cool is it? Oh shit! That one threw me. Okay, into the rut here. Let me just assess that a bit. I think I'll just stick to this rut and we're pretty good. My time's gone up to 1:30. Yeah, this bit gets real muddy down here. I might jump out of that. Get over here. Oops. Yeah, that's where I had a little roadside repair. Had a few crashes on this road, this track. I know I've come belting through here with Barry once in the dry. We were flying. Holy shit, that's gonna fucking hold me up. Crap. I can see people have gone up there, but fuck, I don't like my chances. Will I get up around there? Go straight up that and over, or can I just get around that little bit? I don't like my chances of that. There goes me race to get home on time. Oh, I reckon I'll go straight up that. Alright, if I can get the bike back, I might even be better walking it up that. Maybe not. I don't know how I can walk myself up with it. Righto, well done. Oh, righto. Far out. Hold up, I've got a stick stuck in the bike now. Fuck's sake. I really should avoid this track, shouldn't I? Oh shit, it's not a little one. Yeah, it's decent size. Made it. Take that, Benham truck. Try and beat me with your fallen trees and your friggin' greasy ruts. What's it saying now? We're back down to 137. What did I start at? Can't remember. 120 something. 123 maybe. Anyway, let's get moving. It's been a great day out. Had a ball. Glad I went. Been ages since I've been in the Wombat State Forest. I forgot how beautiful it is. Great tracks, great scenery, great fun. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please hit the subscribe button. See if we can get up to 3,000 subs. See you next time. Here we are, home sweet home, and it is 1:14. Did well.